Hi everyone, welcome to the first affiliated school conference held by ISAR. My name is Asdrúbal Moreno. I am the ISAR Global Director for Chile and Professor of the Centro Astrológico de Chile. I have the honor to represent the school as well as the head teacher and founder, Paulina Peñafiel. In this opportunity, I would like to invite all of you to my lecture and workshop named Diving into the 12th House. In this workshop, we will go deep into the mysteries of this house and the challenges that we might face having planetary energy in it, bringing the vision based on Dane Rudhyar, the father of the modern astrology, who declared, "There are no bad houses." Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there. Bye.